Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and in today's video I will be doing a fill-in on this old set that I've had for about almost a month, and there's no lifting. Only thing it is just growth. So of course you see my natural nail being exposed towards the cuticle. So we're gonna fix this and make a new set. So what I'm doing now is I am removing the gel polish, and then once I finish removing all of the gel polish, I'm going to go in and clean up around my cuticle area. So now that I've removed all of the color, I'm going to take my cuticle pusher and begin pushing back my cuticles. Then I'm going to take my drill bit, the ball end one, and start cleaning up around the cuticles as well. Now I'm going to take my dehydrator and apply it to my exposed nail, natural nail that is, and then after that I will take my primer and apply it in the same spot. This nail design is inspired by Jojo Siwa, which was inspired by my niece Ava. So I don't have a blue, but what I do have are the colors pink and yellow. So I'm gonna just use those to try and do the same nail design as the inspired picture, but the key word is try. So right now I am applying my base coat. I'm curing that. And the base coat, the colored base coat I'm using is o.p.i's Tiramisu. So I decided to do the thumbnail first, and when I say that I kept going out of the frame, I'm sorry. For me, I'm not an artist, so just doing simple designs, as this is it's a simple design, but I'm not, like I said, I'm not an artist, and doing nail designs is not something that I'm big on. Let me just polish and let me just go. But with me drawing a line on my nail, I actually needed my nail to be as close to my eye as possible. But you'll see me go in and out of the frame, and I do apologize for that, but I did not want to stop recording me doing my nails, so you're actually getting raw footage. I mean, it's edited, but you're still getting raw footage of me attempting to do this design, and just know I'm going in and out of the frame. So what I'm trying to do is I'm really trying to make an S on my nail. However, my brain wasn't connecting to that, and it's okay because I'm not going to keep apologizing. But that is what I was trying to do. I was just trying to make an S, but it ended up being like a J, and once I figured it out, it wasn't that hard. So if ever you're trying to make designs like this, just take a piece of paper and do it on a piece of paper first. Once you accomplish it on a piece of paper, then transfer that to your nail. It's a learning process. And I don't know if I'll be doing more of these, but I just wanted to make me safe and happy. So once I feel that everything looks good, I then proceed to wipe the polish off of my skin, and then I go and cure it for 60 seconds. And once it's finished curing, I then add a second coat of that pink polish. Now I'm going to take the yellow polish, and this is Mellow Yellow from iGel Beauty, and I'm going to take my dotting tool and I'm going to add yellow dots onto the nail. Now there is no right or wrong way of applying the dots on your nails. Just don't think about it, just apply it. Me being as OCD as I am, I was like, wait, how do I want the dots to look? Do I want them to go in a straight line? Do I want there to be 3 dots all the way down the nail? Or don't overthink it, just apply the dots. This is the completed look of my thumb. I think I did a good job. I just don't need to overthink. So the next thing I'm doing now is taking the top coat, and I'm going to put the top coat on top of that nail because we are finished with the thumbnail, and I'm going to start doing my other nails. Now I did go ahead and do my pointer off camera, and I applied the pink lines to the other fingers, but I did show how I did it completely on one finger. So I'm going to be quiet and I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of this. completed both of my hands. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my cuticle oil and apply that to the cuticles, rub it in nice and neat, and then I'm going to let you guys see both of my hands. I think I did a pretty good job considering that this is my first time ever. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and until I make my next one, I'll see you guys then, and don't forget to listen to niece Ava. Bye!
Click subscribe and turn on notifications to give me a huge thumbs up.